Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the another vlog. So in today's vlog I am going to show you how you can install Wireshark application on your laptop and how it look like basically. So once again, my name is Akash. I am the threat hunter and cybersecurity analyst. So let's get start the video. So whatever the laptop you are using, it could be Windows or it could be Mac, as I am using a MacBook. So yes, let's go to any of browser to download Wireshark application. Let's search Wireshark. Just click on download button. Okay, firstly let me check. I believe this is the Intel one. Oh yes, of course, this is the Intel chip. So for Intel chip you can download, you have to click here, and for the M1 chip you have to download here. As I have already downloaded it, I can show you. If I go to download, okay, so here you can see. So yep, let's go to the download folder quickly. Let's open Wireshark. Okay, so let's move into application ones. So just let me find where it is. Okay, here you go. Let's install quickly. It's verifying the file. Okay, great. So today is a Friday, and as we have discussed in a previous video about the Wireshark layman language basically. So yes, so this is how the Wireshark look like basically. If we start, okay, so here from here you can, okay, so I have selected all of these options. Let's start. So yes, we have to give a few permissions. Okay, so as we can see here, okay, it says you don't have permission to capture on this device. You cannot be wait. Yeah, install Wireshark package or Wireshark connection, close the dialog box, installing the, okay, so first we have to basically install the lot of things here. Okay, let's go to install this. Okay, click on continue, install. Okay, validity package, this has been installed. Nope, we will keep. Add Wireshark to the system path. Yes, we can add. Control and done. Yeah, of course we have to keep this. Let's close this. Let's quit the Wireshark ones. Let's open the Wireshark once again. Okay, so it's initializing. If okay, so here you can see it's started capturing packet. Next video we will learn how we will learn to understand these protocol, destination, source, and so and so. Yes, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care. Keep subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.